skies without rain, or a life untouched by pain. But I promise to stand through the storm, to hold you when the night feels long.
I won't be perfect, but I'll be true, and every day I'll choose you. Not just in joy, but when it's hard, I love you with my whole heart.
This is my vow before the King, to love you more than anything, to walk in grace, to serve, forgive, to lay down self so love can live.
I give you all, not just for now, for every breath. This is my vow.
When time has worn our faces thin, and years have carved their lines within, I'll still be reaching for your hand, still walking where the Savior stands. Through every high and every fall, I'll love you through it, give my all. Not just emotion, but sacred choice, led by God's unfailing voice.
This is my vow before the King, to love you more than anything, to walk in grace, to serve, forgive, to lay down self so love can live. Through fire, through flood, I won't back down. I'm yours forever. This is my vow.
This is my vow.
When children watch the way we love, may they see Christ guiding us. And when the world begins to fade, we'll still be faithful, still be brave. I'll lift you up when hope feels low, and plant my roots so love can grow. Until I breathe my final sound, I'll still be here. This is my vow. This is my vow, not just in word, but in the life and love you've heard. I'll rise with you, I'll fall with you, I'll chase the cross, I'll hold what's true, till heaven comes and we shall bow. I'll still be yours. This is my vow. This is my vow.
This dance is called This Is My Vow, choreographed by Marlon, Ronkes, and Romain, Brasme. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, easy advanced level line dance. There are 3 tags in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, to your right diagonal facing 130, non-turning option, you can just walk forward, right, left, turning option, step right foot forward, make a full PK turn to your right, then step left foot forward, make a full spiral turn to your right. Right foot forward, full turn right, left foot forward, spiral full turn right. Now you're facing 130, round forward, right, left, right, pivot half turn left, sweep your right facing 730, run forward, right, left, right, pivot half turn to your left, 1/8 to your left, step right foot side, half turn left, step right foot to the side. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 2, recover back to your right, left foot behind, right foot side rock, recover, quarter turn right, facing 9, quarter turn right, right foot side, facing 12, place, right hand down, in front of right leg, palm facing down, place, left hand down, in front of the left leg, palm facing down, raise both arms up, lower both arms down, over 2 counts. Section 3, step left foot side, hit your right, step right foot to the side, sway body to the right, sway body to the left, quarter turn right, right foot forward, continue half turn right, lift your left leg back, facing 9 o'clock, step back on your left, quarter turn right, right foot side, facing 12, left foot cross, sweep your right, cross, quarter turn right, left foot back, 3/8 to your right to 730, step right foot forward and lift left leg forward, step left foot together and lift right leg back, hit your right. Last section, 1/8 to your left to 6 o'clock, right foot, nightclub basic, side, behind cross, left foot, lunge to the side, full rolling turn to your right, quarter turn right forward, half turn right back, quarter turn right side, facing 6, left foot, side, cross, side, 1/8 right, right foot, rock back, recover. Now you're facing 730 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. There's a 2 count tag after wall 1 and wall 3 facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you the 2 count tag facing 6 o'clock. 8 and 1/8 left to 6 o'clock, step right foot side, keep the weight on your left foot, raise your right arm up, this, left arm up, is, cross both arms and turn body to the left, mine. To restart the dance, make a 1/8 right, 1. With counts for the 2 count tag. 8 and 1 and 2, 1. At the end of wall 5, also facing 6, there's a 6 count tag. Now let me show you the tag. 8 and 1/8 left, step right foot to the side, hold 1 count, weight on your right, half turn right, point left foot to the side, half turn right, point left foot to the side, left foot cross, unwind, full turn to your right, keep the weight on your left foot, step right foot to the side, raise your right arm up, this, left arm up, is, cross both arms, turn to the left, mine. To restart the dance, make a 1/8 right, 1. With counts for the 6 count tag. 8 and 1 hold 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.